Herbs in Action. Reflections and stories from the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Botany in Action Fellows discussing herbs from around the world.
My name is Lynnaun Johnson. I currently study the ghost orchid in Southwest Florida and Cuba, and I'm affiliated with the Chicago Botanic Garden and Northwestern, which is a joint program which I'll be getting my degree from Northwestern University. I'm here to talk about vanilla orchids, and vanilla is an orchid, but its popular flavor and aroma that we're used to, such as vanilla ice cream. And I studied it the first year of my PhD, and so it's fascinating because vanilla is an orchid that uses a fungus to germinate and to continue its life cycle. Vanilla is part of the orchid family, Orchidaceae, which is one of the largest flowering plant families, over 25,000 species. It looks like most of the vanilla flowers, but it's yellow in color. Some of them are white. It's sort of a beautiful flower, but people are more interested in the vanilla beans, the fruits of the vanilla. Vanilla likes to grow, it's native to Mexico, but it's also grown in Madagascar and Indonesia. It grows as what we call a hemiepiphyte in the trees and also in the soil. It grows as a vine. It's a pretty hardy plant. It doesn't require too much care. It's just that during the time that the vanilla farmers need to have it pollinate, they would need to hand pollinate it if it's not in Mexico. And so in places like Madagascar, early on when they were trying to transplant vanilla, they didn't have the native bees that pollinated vanilla in Mexico, and so someone figured out how to hand pollinate. I haven't necessarily grown vanilla myself. I've collected some of the roots to sample to look at fungi that use the vanilla as a space to grow in or to help the vanilla to grow. I mean, I love vanilla ice cream, and I have collected some beans because I wanted to do further experiments with vanilla.
Herbs in Action is a collaboration between Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the Saturday Light Brigade, and is made possible by the Mary Jane Berger Memorial Foundation, dedicated to educating the community about the many benefits and uses of herbs. To hear this feature again, or to learn more about herbs from around the world, visit mjbergerfoundation.org.